Greetings, welcome to the Happy to Be Nappy Show, everything that comes from the crown chakras. And I am your host of the most. Yes, they say Prince has left planet Mother Earth at 57 years young. How could this be? In Hollywood, there's always a celebrity gone. And as a result, people have been calling me so upset about this finding. I mean, he was a musical genius, but my take on it is that in Hollywood, these things go on all the time. It's been 7 years since Michael Jackson has passed. That's a spiritual number right there. That's a serious number right there. So my take is this. Be more scientific, be more architectural. Like, it seems like if you're a celebrity, you're not going to live an old ripe age. That's my take. Nobody's living to 60, 70, 80. Stevie Wonder, I bet not even speak too soon, because the next thing we'll hear, Stevie's gone, but all the young great ones are gone. And I just find it peculiar. There's a whole lot of videos on YouTube about them being cloned, them not really being dead, that they just signed a contract with the devil and their time is up, and they're in the underground living. That's why they say they keep seeing Tupac, because they're not gone, they killed their clone. So what's your take on it? Hit me up. Let's have an open dialogue. Nothing to get angry and upset about, because I like every artist, but let me tell you, Prince never paid my rent. He never paid anything for me, and I paid for his records, tapes, concert. We supported him. So at the end of the day, however he left this planet, if he did leave the planet, I wish him peace and blessings. I don't really follow entertainers and sports people at all, because they all just, it's part of the television program and it's part of the television. I'm into more scholars, healers, people making the planet a better place. Michael Jackson gave a lot. They killed him. He was a great humanitarian. I'm really supporting people that want to make the earth a better place and get rid of hate, greed, capitalism. There's enough food on this planet for everyone, and stop taking people's natural resources for greed. That's what I support and into. I don't watch or subscribe to television. This is why I have my own channel and show on the Happy to Be Nappy Show on YouTube. So on that note, what's your take on Prince leaving us at 57? I'm 54. He was 3 years older than me. Michael Jackson was a year older than him, because Michael would have been 58. What's your take? Hit me up. Shout out to exclusiveeyes.net in Harlem. My girl Diamond, who gave me these fabulous shades. Exclusive Eyes, 125th Street, right across, right a couple of doors down from the world famous Apollo Theater, a couple of doors down from Banana Republic and Red Lobsters on 125th Street, and of course from Mart 125, which I had my shop there for many years before they regentrified Harlem. So keep it real and keep it moving. It's your girl, Queen Goddess, everything that comes from the crown chakras. Peace and at your hair grease. Much love and light. All right. And hit us up with some positive feedback on the whole death situation with Prince. Was it real? Is he a clone? And is his contract up now? And he's out. I'm hearing so many celebrities are out as their contract is up. We need to know that. We need to be real about it. So we need to hear from you. Keep it real, keep it moving, and keep it positive. Peace.